Dielectrics. Properties of dielectrics. Dielectrics are insulators. Di equals to 2, electrics equals to charges. Types are nonpolar materials and polar materials. Nonpolar materials are insulators which are bounded electrons, and polar materials are no free charges. And non-metals with standard high voltage and high specific resistance which are capacitors store charge. Dielectric properties: applied electric field, DC electric field, which is alpha, AC electric field, and dipole moment nu, polarizability alpha, and the subparts. Electric dipole moment nu. The product of charge and distance between two charges is called electric dipole moment. The distance between two charges is r, therefore dipole moment equals to qr. The product of charge and distance. And these are dipole moments of bonded poles, which is zero net pole dipole moment, and this had 1.84 dipole moment. D is directly proportional to E, that is D equals to EE. D equals to E naught E plus E. ER minus 1 equals to X. Electric susceptibility. The electric susceptibility X is defined as the ratio of polarization vector to the applied electric field E. That is X equals to P by E. X susceptibility has no units. X equals to ER minus 1. This is the diagram of no electric field and applied electric field. Applied electric field moves in a one direction, particular moves in a applied electric field direction. No electric field moves in random direction. Various polarization processes. When the specimen is placed inside a DC electric field, polarization is due to four types of processes. First one is electronic polarization, second one is ionic polarization, third one is orientation polarization, fourth one is space charge polarizations. And this is the diagram of non-polar molecules of dielectric where E equals to 0 and non-polar molecules of dielectric E naught equals to 0. Electronic polarization. When an EF is applied to an atom, positively charged nucleus displaces in the direction of field and E could be in opposite direction. This kind of displacement will produce an electric dipole within the atom. Dipole moment is proportional to the magnitude of field strength and is given by nu E is directly proportional to E, or nu E equals to alpha E into E, where alpha E is the electronic polarizability constant. Electronic polarization. When an EF is applied to an atom, positively charged nucleus displaces in the direction of field and E could in the opposite direction. This kind of displacement will produce an electric dipole within the atom. Dipole moment is directly proportional to the magnitude of field strength. This displacement between electron and nucleus produces induced dipole moment and hence polarization. This is called electronic polarization, and it increases with increase of volume of the atom. This kind of polarization is mostly exhibited in monoatomic gas. It occurs only at optical frequencies 10 power 15 Hz. It is independent of temperature, where the electronic polarization of He is 0.18 and Ne is 0.35, argon 1.46, Kr 2.18, Xe 3.54. Sigma be the charge density of the sphere. Sigma equals to minus Ze by 4 by 3 pi r cube. Minus Ze represents the total charge in the sphere. Thus, the negative charge in the sphere of radius x is Qv equals to sigma 4 by 3 pi x cube. That is minus Ze by 4 by 3 pi r cube into 4 by 3 pi x cube. That equals to minus Ze by r cube into x cube. Say it as the equation 1. Now Fc equals to 1 by 4 epsilon naught QE into QP by x square, that equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught x square. Substituting QV and QP values, we get the final minus ZE square by 4 pi epsilon naught into e square x by r cube. Say it as equation 2. Force experienced by displacing nucleus in EF of strength is FL equals to EQ equals to ZEE. FL equals to FC. That is minus Z square E square x by 4 pi epsilon naught r cube equals to ZEE. E equals to dipole moment by alpha E. Alpha E equals to 4 pi epsilon naught r cube. Hence, electronic polarizability is directly proportional to the cube of the radius of atom. Ionic polarization. The ionic polarization occurs when atoms are formed and molecules, and it's mainly due to the relative displacement of the atomic components of the molecule in the presence of an electric field. When an EF is applied to the molecule, the positive ions displaced by x1 to the negative side electric field and negative ions displaced by x2 the positive side of electric field. The resultant dipole moment nu equals to q into x1 plus x2. The restirring force constant depend on mass of the ion and natural frequency. F equals to E capital E equals to m omega naught square into x, or x equals to E capital E by m omega naught square. By adding x1 plus x2, we get E capital E by omega naught square into 1 by m plus 1 by capital M, where m is the mass of cation and capital M is the mass of anion. New ionic, that equals to E into x1 plus x2, that equals to E square into capital E by omega naught square into 1 by capital M plus 1 by small m, or alpha ionic equals to new ionic by E, that is E square by omega naught square into 1 by small m plus 1 by capital M. This polarization occurs at the frequency 10 power 13 Hz. It is a slower process compared to the electronic polarization. It is independent of temperature. Orientational polarization. It is also called dipolar or molecular polarization. The molecules such as H2, N2, O2, Cl2, CH4, CCl4, etc. does not carry any dipole because center of positive charge and center of negative charges coincides. On the other hand, molecules like CHCl, H2O, HCl, ethyl acetate polar molecules carries dipoles even in the absence of electric field. However, the net dipole moment is negligibly small since all the molecular dipoles are oriented randomly when there is no EF. In the presence of electric field, these all the dipoles orient themselves in the direction of field. As a result, the net dipole moment becomes enormous. Expression for orientation polarization, that is P naught equals to n into nu bar orientation, that is n into nu square orientation into E by 3kt, that equals to n into alpha naught into E, where alpha naught is nu square orientation by 3kt. Alpha, the total alpha is alpha electronic plus alpha ionic plus alpha orientation equals to 4 pi epsilon naught r cube plus E square by omega naught square into 1 by small m plus 1 by capital M plus nu square orientation by 3kt. This is called Lagrangian-Debye equation for the total polarizability in dielectrics. Internal fields or local fields. Local field or internal field in dielectric is the space and time average for the electric field intensity acting on a particular molecule in the dielectric material. Consider a dielectric be placed between the plates of parallel plate capacitor, and let there be an imaginary spherical cavity around the atom A inside the dielectric. The internal field at the atomic site A can be made up of four components E1, E2, E3 and E4. Field E1. E1 is the field intensity at A due to the charge density on the plates. E1 equals to D by epsilon naught. D equals to epsilon naught E plus P. E1 equals to epsilon naught E plus P by E epsilon naught. That equals to E1 equals to E plus P by epsilon naught. Consider our equation 1. This is the schematic diagram of the fields. Field E2. E2 is the field density intensity at A due to the charge density induced on the two sides of dielectric. E2 equals to minus P by epsilon naught. Field E3. E3 is the field intensity at A due to the atoms contained in the cavity. We are assuming a cubic structure, so E3 equals to 0. Field E4. This is due to polarized charges on the surface of spherical cavity. dA equals to 2 pi PQ and QR. dA equals to 2 pi r sin theta into r d theta. dA equals to 2 pi r square sin theta into d theta, where dA is the surface area between theta and theta plus theta. The field due to this charge at A denoted by E4. dE4 equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught dq by r square. The field in theta equals the field is in E4 is theta equals to 0 in direction. So dE4 equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught dq cos theta by r square. That is dE4 equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught r square into substituting the dq value, we get 2 pi r square p cos theta sin theta into d theta into cos theta, that equals to p by 2 epsilon naught cos square theta into sin theta into d theta. There is a total field E4 due to the charges on the surface of the entire cavity is E4 equals to integral of 0 to pi dE4. That equals to integral of 0 to pi, substituting dE4 value. P by 2 epsilon naught is constant, it comes out of the integral. Let x equals to cos theta, then dx equals to minus sin theta d theta. By substituting, the integral also changes from 1 to minus 1. X square integration x cube by 3. By applying that, we get E4 equals to P by 3 epsilon naught. The internal field or Lorentz field can be written as the internal field or Lorentz field can be written as EI equals to E1 plus E2 plus E3 plus E4. EI equals to E plus P by epsilon naught minus P by epsilon naught plus 0 plus P by 3 epsilon naught. By substituting all these, we get the final EI equals to E plus P by epsilon naught. B by 3 epsilon naught. Clausius-Massotti relation. Dielectric material having cubic structure and assume ionic polarizability and orientational polarizability are 0. That is alpha I equals to alpha 0, alpha naught equals to 0. Polarization P equals to Nu. P equals to N alpha into capital EI, where nu equals to alpha E into EI. EI equals to E plus P by 3 epsilon naught. By substituting that, we get P equals to Na N alpha E into E plus P by 3 epsilon naught. Take Na of alpha E epsilon naught into other side. We get the final P equals to Na alpha E by 1 minus N alpha E by 3 epsilon naught. Consider equation 1. We know that polarization on vector P equals to epsilon naught E into ER minus 1. Consider equation 2. From equations 1 and 2, we get by equating the P values, we get 1 equals to N alpha E by 3 epsilon naught plus N alpha E into E by epsilon naught E into ER minus 1. By LCM, we get By LCM and B equating at the final equation Clausius-Mallotti relation, we get N alpha E by 3 epsilon naught equals to ER minus 1 by ER plus 2. Ferroelectric materials are ferroelectricity. Ferroelectric crystals exhibit spontaneous polarization, that is, electric polarization without electric field. Ferroelectric crystals possess high dielectric constant. Each unit cell of a ferroelectric crystal carries a reversible dielectric dipole moment. For example, barium titanate, that is BaTiO3, sodium nitrate, NaNO3, Rockwell salt, etc. Solid dielectric in transformer. Fibrous materials are used in air-cooled transformers. Cotton tape is used for insulating the conductors of Cooled transformers. High quality synthetic resin bonded paper in the form of cylinders is used as an insulator between core and coils and also between primary and secondary windings. Press board or press paper is used as filling and packing material between coils. Thank you.